also another famous institutions from educational background, which is Abutur Fazil Madrasa. It is one of the most highlighted and famous institutions in northern Chittagong for educational achievement and excellence. There is also a famous high school which is called Abutur High School. So this is the area which can be called as a city of education. As we know, nature is the best teacher, and that's why we, father and daughter, are trying to create a relationship between nature and us. And that's the process of organic development of our lifestyle and our grooming process. By the way, today Mehrima enjoyed a lot after having some rides. I bought some snacks for her. I think she enjoyed a lot and I also enjoyed a lot. And right after that, whenever we will come back to nature, we will remember whatever we did in these Eid vacations. May Allah bring all the happiness and prosperity to us and to the villagers peoples and to all the Muslim Ummah. I think the moral of today's video is all about be a good father and be a great father by setting up an example, not by delivering a lot of speeches or advices. Be an ideal father just right before your child, not be a rich father, because an ideal father is far better than a rich father. Moreover, this is the end of today's video. Hope you guys will like this video, and if you do like this video, please do subscribe the channel